CDC has relaxed quarantine and social distancing rules. So does this signify a big turn in the pandemic?
Dr. John Whyte is the chief medical examiner for WebMD, and he joins us live to discuss the latest guidance and what this all means as kids head back to school. Dr. Whyte, good morning. Thank you so much for being with us.
Good morning. It's always nice to see you.
Yeah, likewise. Well, Dr. Whyte, explain why the CDC made these changes and what this all means.
Yeah, I think the latest guidelines are a recommendation that coronavirus is going to be with us for a while. There was a time when we thought we would get rid of it and had 0 cases, but that's not going to be the case. So what I think this tells us is, how do we manage risk? And now the focus is on not just prevent every infection, but how do we prevent severe infections and keep people from being hospitalized and dying? 300 people roughly are still dying a day. Let's try to get that a little lower. So that's the big change in focus. COVID's going to be here for a while. We have to figure out how to deal with it and manage our lives.
And Dr. Whyte, many children are heading back to school this week. Can you talk about balancing those risks and how these changes are going to impact children in our schools?
I think these changes are definitely a step in the right direction. What it's saying is we need to prioritize learning. We need to keep kids in school. So some of the biggest changes are this test to stay requirement or the quarantine requirement. We're actually getting rid of the quarantine requirement altogether. And that meant if you were exposed to someone, you were supposed to stay home, for at least 5 days. Now what we're saying is, if you're exposed to someone and you don't have any symptoms, you stay in school, you wear a mask for 10 days, but that's a key difference rather than missing learning and being at home. The other thing is we're getting rid of the 6 feet requirement, right? That's if you haven't been vaccinated, you should stay 6 feet away from other people. We know in school, kids need to be around each other. They need to have that social interaction. So that's the other big change as well.
And with all of these changes, is it even more important for parents to get their children vaccinated?
Absolutely. We know that vaccines prevent serious infections. I'm reminding everyone, and I do it myself as a parent, to be vaccinated, boosted, pay attention to what's happening in the fall when we have a new booster that's going to protect against all these other variants. Remember, the original vaccine was developed about 3 years ago now, before we even heard Delta or Omicron. So you want to protect yourself and you protect your kids partly by surrounding them with people who are also protecting themselves.
And Doctor, as Marcy mentioned earlier, it is National Relaxation Day. And the pandemic, as we know, has been very stressful for so many people. Do you have any tips to help people de-stress this morning?
Yeah. Well, the first tip is we don't want one day a year where we're going to relax, right? We need to make it a priority every day. And what I say to people is maybe it's 10 minutes where you're just going to unplug and you're going to listen to music or you're going to go for a walk. The key is you have to make it a priority. That means you're going to say in the morning from 9:30 to 9:45, I'm going to unplug, or at 5 to 5:15 before dinner, I'm just going to go upstairs or go to another room and use a mindfulness app. I'm going to write down every day something that I'm grateful for. We know that helps to rewire the brain and reduce stress. That's the key. Go outside, enjoy sunlight. Take some time to just chat with a friend over mindless stuff, maybe the latest movie you saw or TV show. The key is you need to make it a priority, and sometimes you even need to schedule it.
All right. Well, thank you so much for all your information and insight as always, Dr. Whyte. We really appreciate it.
Those are great reminders just to take a little bit of time for yourself to chill out today and every day. Dr. Whyte, thanks so much.